got my Eagle lawnmower here. I got the handle tied down so it's running. Check out this grass I just cut. And it's picking it up no problem. And I'm going fast too. I got this lawnmower at Andy's Ace Hardware on Muldoon. That's the best place to buy them because you're going to get the best price. And here we go, watch this. I'm going to take some of this really thick stuff over here and let's see how long it takes for the bag to get full. And I'm going to do it all one-handed. That's how easy it is. I just boom right here and it goes. I'm going to turn the throttle down just a little bit. Let's watch her eat. Listen to it, the engine's not even bogging down and it's cutting through 8 to 10 inch grass. No problem. There, it kind of bogged down a little bit there, but I also bottomed out a little bit. I got it on its lowest setting. So it's starting to, oh yeah, look at that. I'm chewing up sticks, everything. This thing is a machine. There, it's a little bit clogged right now, so let's clear it. See if it'll pick this stuff up. So I think the bag might be full after 2 passes of 8-inch grass. Oh. Yeah. Let's check it. Take my little guy off there. And she's not full, but that grass was super thick. So we'll empty it and we'll keep going. Remember, it's at Andy's Ace Hardware. I think these things are right around 500 bucks. And I mean, the battery right here alone is about $360. So you get the lawnmower for about $130 something. And it's just sweet. No gas, no mixing, no storing gas, no buying gas cans, no worrying about your employees, you know, mixing the gas wrong or whatever, and messing up your $1,200 commercial Honda snow lawnmowers, not snow blowers. But yeah, the hassle-freeness of this is just awesome. Watch me start it. All it is push this button and then compress this handle. And she's on. That easy. And she's off. You want to use the wheels to move it around? It's that easy. Look up. I'm just using my thumb and she goes. It's just so easy, guys. If you're not buying one of these for your house or your business, it's only because you haven't tried it yet. I'll be at Ace Hardware here in a couple of weeks with all my stuff for everybody to come and try. If you like it, buy it. If you don't, well then, you don't.